After gathering reviews from all over the internet, here is what users have to say about the Gear Shift Hoodie, Universal Car Shift Knob Cover, Mini Hoodie for Car Shifter by Celac. If you own this item, please leave your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The Gear Shift Hoodie is an automotive interior accessory designed to add a touch of personality and fun to your car's interior. Manufactured by Celac, this product is made from soft velvet fabric and is available in multiple colors. It is marketed as a universal fit for most car shift knobs, with upgraded dimensions to accommodate a wide range of vehicles. The product is lightweight, weighing just 0.317 ounces, and measures 5.2 inches in length by 4.5 inches in width. The hoodie is intended to fit gear shift heads less than 2.2 inches in diameter. According to the manufacturer, the hoodie is not only decorative, but also functional, offering protection against scratches, dust, and cold temperatures, especially in winter. The material is described as soft, comfortable, and durable, and the cover is machine washable for easy cleaning and quick drying. The hoodie design is meant to be eye-catching and fun, making it a conversation starter and a unique gift idea for car enthusiasts. Users consistently praise the Gear Shift hoodie for its cuteness and novelty. Many reviewers highlight the joy it brings every time they enter their vehicle, with some mentioning that friends and family are equally delighted by the quirky design. The hoodie comes in several colors, allowing users to personalize their car's interior according to their preferences. The product is frequently purchased as a gift, and recipients often express initial surprise followed by appreciation for the unique and amusing accessory. The hoodie's soft material is often compared to that of an actual sweater, adding to its charm and comfort. Some users even give their Gear Shift hoodie a name, indicating the level of attachment and enjoyment it brings. The product is also noted for being easy to install, with most users reporting that it slips on quickly and fits snugly over the shift knob. This ease of installation is particularly appreciated by those who are not mechanically inclined or who prefer low-maintenance car accessories. In terms of functionality, the Gear Shift hoodie is said to provide a layer of protection for the gear shift knob, shielding it from scratches, dust, and cold temperatures. Several users mentioned that the hoodie keeps the shift knob warm during winter, making it more comfortable to use in colder climates. The machine washable feature is also well received, as it allows for easy cleaning and maintenance, ensuring that the hoodie remains fresh and attractive over time. The product's durability is generally viewed positively, with the velvet fabric holding up well under regular use. However, there are some notable drawbacks. The most common criticism is related to sizing. Despite being marketed as a universal fit, several users report that the hoodie is too small for certain vehicles, particularly those with larger or uniquely shaped shift knobs. For example, owners of the 2018 Ford Fiesta and Honda CR-V note that the hoodie does not fully cover their gear shift, leaving the hood portion sticking up or the fit feeling overly tight. While some users are willing to overlook this issue due to the hoodie's cuteness, others find it disappointing, especially when the product claims to be suitable for most cars. This suggests that potential buyers should carefully measure their gear shift knob before purchasing to ensure compatibility. Another minor issue mentioned by users is the fading of the hoodie's color over time, particularly when exposed to direct sunlight for extended periods. While this is a common problem for many fabric-based car accessories, it is worth noting for those who prioritize long-lasting aesthetics. Some users also point out that the hood portion of the cover cannot be lowered due to the thickness of their shift knob, which may affect the overall appearance for those who prefer a more relaxed fit. Despite these concerns, the majority of users remain satisfied with their purchase, often buying multiple hoodies in different colors to switch out and match their mood or car interior. The Gear Shift hoodie's appeal lies primarily in its novelty and ability to add a playful touch to an otherwise utilitarian part of the car. It stands out as a conversation starter and a unique gift option, especially for those who enjoy customizing their vehicle's interior. The product's soft material, ease of installation, and machine washable design contribute to its practicality, while its cute appearance makes it a favorite among users of all ages. The hoodie's ability to keep the shift knob warm in winter is an added bonus for those living in colder regions. On the downside, the sizing issue may limit its compatibility with certain vehicles, and the potential for color fading should be considered by those who park their cars in direct sunlight. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall consensus is overwhelmingly positive, with users expressing satisfaction with the hoodie's quality, appearance, and functionality. The product's high rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 1,500 reviews reflects its popularity and general approval among buyers. In summary, the Gear Shift Hoodie by Celac is a delightful and functional accessory that brings a sense of fun and individuality to any car interior. Its soft, sweater-like material, variety of colors, and easy installation make it a practical choice for those looking to personalize their vehicle. While it may not fit every shift knob perfectly, its charm and utility outweigh the minor sizing concerns for most users. The hoodie's protective qualities and ability to keep the shift knob warm in winter add to its appeal, making it a thoughtful gift for car lovers or a whimsical addition to your own vehicle. If you are considering purchasing the Gear Shift Hoodie, be sure to check your shift knob's dimensions to ensure a proper fit. For those who value both style and function in their car accessories, this product is a standout option. Remember, the link to the product is in the description, and using it helps support the channel. If you have tried this product, please leave a review in the comments to share your experience and help others make informed decisions.